The look that we're going to work today is it's an inspiration that we took from the runway Chris Benz show in New York for Spring/Summer 2013. We're going to start working with a very irregular middle parting, and then we start braiding the underneath part. We're going to apply the Work It hairspray, and then we're using the irons to create that slightly texture. Once we finish with all the braids, then we're going to brush everything out, and you're going to start seeing a lot more volume towards the length. Here we are, this is the finishing look. We create the look by using the braids, Work It, and the irons. We start working sections all the way to the top into the middle parting. Every section was then braided. We use the Work It into the sections, and then we use the straining irons to flat the cuticle. Then we release the braids, we brush them through, and as you can see, as we brush them, we create that volume. It makes the end result looking a little bit more three-dimensional. This is a quicker way to achieve a totally different look. I hope you like it.